Now it's tasting time. So let's first by eating the most sugary part. Where is it? Right here. It's really sugary and chocolatey. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Musa from Sibling World. As you can see, today I'm a bit different. Here I have this new apron. It looks really cool. That's like a cactus theme. And you have to look at this apron for 10 hours. Okay, now you're done. So now let's start the cooking. So today I'm going to be making chocolate donuts. It's going to be so good and delicious. So first, let's start off with the ingredients. We're going to be needing 2 cups of flour. Then we need 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Then we need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then we need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Then we need ½ cup of milk. And we need an egg. By the way, for the melted butter, there's a substitute. If you don't have it, then you can use oil. Then we need some oil to fry. And we need some chocolate chip to make the chocolatey top part of the donut. Then we need some sprinkles for decoration. Here's all the steps. So today I'm going to be making my dough with a food processor. Let's begin. Dun dun dun! Okay, so first of all, let's start off with our flour. Next up on the list, we have sugar. Then we have yeast, dry yeast. Then we have to put this on low. Now I'm going to mix all of my ingredients. Let the mixing begin. Now it's time for our rest of the ingredients, aka the wet ingredients. And now the melted butter. Now it's time to mix again. So when this food processor, like the dough, shows that it's in like a big clump, that means it's done. So now we're going to be mixing a little bit by our hands. So before you guys and I do this step, you have to wash your hands. Now I will add a little bit of oil. So after you put the oil, you have to knead this for 10 minutes. Now I'll use aluminum foil to cover this bowl for 1 hour. Now it's time to reveal what happened after 1 hour. Yeast. So now I'm just going to put this away. So now I'm going to put this on the ground. I'm going to be using this soon. So now I'm going to put this on the ground. And now it's time to use this. Boom. So you have to make this 1.5 inches flat. 1 to 1.5. So yeah, now it's done. Now I'll use this cookie cutter to cut holes in here so it would be like donuts. Here's 1. Then here's 2. Now I'm done with the bigger ones, so I'm gonna put this dough away. I could do the same thing with this leftover dough. So I make sure that I don't waste any. Now I'm going to use a bottle cap to do all of this. And now I'm going to put all of this in the foil for 20 to 25 minutes. So while we wait for 20 to 25 minutes, let's make our chocolate syrup. So much chocolate chips. I'm gonna put this in the microwave oven for 1 minute. So now it's been 1 minute. Let's see how much of the chocolate chips has melted. Now I'll put this in the oven for 30 more seconds. So now it's been 30 seconds more, and a lot of the chocolate chips are getting softer and softer. Now I'll put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So now we have to mix properly. Now my mixing is done. Now we're gonna wait for the donuts to be finished cooking. So now it's been 25 minutes and I pulled this aluminum foil and it's done. It rose up a little bit. So now it's time to fry them. First of all, we need a fry pan. And we need to put some of this entire bottle of oil in it. Then we need to heat this up to medium. And we wait for the oil to heat up so we can put in the donuts to fry it. Now this oil is heated up. So now I'm going to put this donut inside. Look at the donut, it's like magic. The donut is like expanding, like with the oil. Looks really cool. Ooh, this one looks brown. Let's flip it. Oh, there's other ones that I see that's getting brown too, like this one. And this one. I think all of them should be brown by now. This one too. This one. This one. Okay. Last two. This one. And this one. All of them looks brown and crispy. So now, as you can see, these donuts are done. So now I've lowered the heat. So now I'm going to put them on the plate. Our donut frying is done. Now it's time for the chocolatey part. So first, this is the process that this donut's going to go through. First, it has to go to the chocolate, and it has really good amount of chocolate. Then we're going to put this in the middle and sprinkle some blue sprinkles on top, because why not? Then the process is finished. It's just gonna go on the plate. Same with all of the other donuts. The final result of the donuts. It looks so good. There's like a lot of color of sprinkles. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more. Good